Hello and welcome to NSE Import's first video. This is just a quick little one for our face shield, just to show you how to get it together, because it becomes in a flat pack style, as you can see, ready for quick and easy shipping. So just grab it out of the bag, flip it over, grab your sponge and peel the adhesive tape. When you're popping this on, try to favour slightly down. These are a little bit large, and if it rides over above the visor, you might get your hair stuck in it, which is not comfortable at all. Once that's done, pop your little stud back on, then flip it over and peel the top cover off. I will admit I tried this off camera because I cut my nails and they're a bit too short for the job. But once you're done, you should find it will look like our lovely model here is demonstrating. And as you can see, it covers the face completely. Now for some people the elastic band might be a bit too long, and you have these little included plastic widgets which you simply open up, fold the elastic inside, clamp it shut, and that will adjust it to pretty much any size of head that you need. I hope you liked this little video. If you did, please give us a thumbs up. Let us know that we've given you some help. If it was awful because this is our first video, then give us a thumbs down and let me know. Either way, it will be good to hear back from you. Thank you.